English teachers पढ़ाए तो simple लगे everything. Leaderboards and quizzes से
Amazing.
learning हो जाए happening. समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा.
Vedantu, learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hey students, hey 9th class, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine and your chemistry master teacher is back. Anuma ma'am is back. You must be thinking, ma'am, what happened to you? Previous week we were waiting for your session, sprint series. So bacha log, I got injured. My foot has injury right now also. I needed rest. I couldn't walk, so I just take rest for 1 week. Sorry for that, but don't worry, ma'am is here. Ma'am knows her responsibility as well, and we'll start from today and no lecture is going to be missed from now on. Yeah, so I hope your Josh is high because we are starting chapter 2 so that you can do very well in your pre-boards. Maybe we are preparing you for your future upcoming exams as well. तो क्या चैप्टर है? इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट राइट नाउ विथ सुपर डुपर हाई जोश. Just before that, I really want to give you some small information. Some of you already know, but all the new students, Vedantu has come up with this micro subscription. So what exactly is this? You will be like, ma'am, we are getting difficulty in this particular chapter. How we can solve our doubts of that chapter? Is there any query? So yes, we have the solution. You can enroll for a particular chapter also and can solve your doubts. Your master teachers will be there. They are going to take your this micro course and all your query about that chapter is going to be solved. That is, क्या होगा? समझ भी आएगा, मजा भी आएगा, क्विज भी होगी और चैप्टर भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. Okay, you can enroll for the same for any chapter of 9th, not for chemistry, for physics, maths and all the courses. तो उसके लिए you have to go through this link. This is the code AGMIC. Please ज़रा screenshot ले लो because this is going to be super duper beneficial for all of you because this is giving you some 95% off. So this is going to be amazing. Please do that. Yeah. Let's move ahead. One more thing, that we are starting our crash course also. This week only it has started. So you can enroll for crash course also. Means you can revise all of your 9th class ka syllabus. Not only science, social science and English and mathematics also. Means it's like whole 9th class revision you can do with Vedantu's awesome master teacher with the super lightning prize. That is this much. But how you can avail this? If you're going to apply this code, that is AGCC. Yeah, crash course. And कैसे करोगे? This is the link which is given to you. Just copy that link and go towards that link. If you find any difficulty, please let me know in the chat box. I'll answer for the same as well. तो चलो, now you know everything. Just a small information and just a small request. All the 9th class student, just share your love with all the likes to us so that this journey will be super amazing for all of us. क्योंकि this is such an encouraging for us also that we'll also feel motivated that it is going in the right hands and you are appreciating it. Yeah, and you can subscribe with your friends also. I mean, share with your friends also so that they can also see what is going on here and what topic we are studying so that they can also get benefited by the same. Yeah. And subscribe all the newcomers, all the unique viewers coming for the first time, but do this thing, subscribe to our channel because Vedantu है तो सब मुश्किल आसान होगी because we are here to help you out. या बच्चा लोग, so ready? So this chapter I have divided into 2 sections. That means as matter around us pure, we are going to do in the 2 parts. First part we are going to cover right now. What exactly is this? क्या करेंगे? We are going to talk about what exactly substances, what exactly is mixture and solutions, and so many questions for the same. I'll give you some work to do as well so that I can see your response also. How is it going? So do that work also and let me know. Yeah? तो चलो, we are going to do all of the questions regarding these three topics. Let's start with the very basic question. What exactly is question? What is pure substance? So you guys know already what is the name of this chapter. Is matter around us pure? कि हमारे आसपास जो भी मैटर है, इज दैट प्योर? सो वी शुड नो व्हाट इज प्योर, है ना. 1 मार्क में क्वेश्चन कैन कम. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस? Pure substance which is not having any other substance, which is not having any impurity. Impurity matlab if I'm going to mix it with something else, it will become impure. So pure means which is made up of only one type of particles. Okay, only one type of particles. Those particles can be atoms and those particles can be molecules. It's not necessary कि सिर्फ एटम, सेम एटम से जो मिलके बने, दैट ओनली इज प्योर सब्सटेंस विच इज मेड अप ऑफ बाय सेम मॉलिक्यूल. ऑल्सो इट इज ऑल्सो प्योर सब्सटेंस विच इज मेड अप ऑफ सेम टाइप ऑफ एटम्स. वी हैव अ टर्म फॉर इट, दैट इज एलिमेंट्स. सो ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर नथिंग बट प्योर सब्सटेंसेज. ओके, वो प्योर होता है नेचर में. वी हैव 118 एलिमेंट्स. ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर प्योर बिकॉज मेड अप ऑफ ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ एटम्स. मॉलिक्यूल्स, वी हैव 1,000 millions of molecules, just like water. If I talk about water, all the water is made up of H2O molecules, right? If I talk about salt, NaCl, all the salt is made up of NaCl molecules. If I talk about acid, just like HCl, made up of HCl molecule. So all the molecules are also having some same composition in which they are mixed with each other with a fixed proportion so that they behave like one. Okay, molecule also behave like one particle. That's why these are known as pure substance. So if someone is asking, is matter around us pure? So it's not necessary. Pure only when that is element or compound. Molecule बना मतलब वो क्या है? Compound है. Okay, compound है. Right? So elements and compounds are pure substances. When I'm going to mix these substances, I'm going to get mixture which is completely impure. So that's the rough idea about the starting of this chapter. Yeah, Funda is clear? Very good. So for your benefit, I have attached the whole solution also. You can download the PDF so that this can be there with you in form of hard copy also. Okay, download कर लेना, उसके बाद hard copy भी निकाल सकते हो. Yeah, let's see one more question. What exactly is the second question? Give example of a solid solution. Okay, अब if I talk about solution, what exactly is solution? Solution से ये मत समझना, solution means it might be a possibility something is liquid. It is not necessary at all. Solution is the another name of homogeneous mixture. I told you if the substance is not pure, that substance is known as mixture. Impure substance is mixture, and mixture has two categories, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homo means same, genus means phase, means that kind of a mixture in which all of my substance present in the same phase. सेम फेज का मतलब आई एम नॉट एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट कि इसके अंदर 2 पार्टिकल है, 3 है, 4 है, कितने हैं. दे मिक्स विद ईच अदर सो वेल दैट इट गिव्स अ फील लाइक इट्स ओनली वन. Then it's why it is impure, because randomly you have mixed that. It is not like this is made up of same kind of particles. Yeah, bache? So yes, this is homogeneous mixture, same phase. Another name is solution. You can also call it true solution, same thing only. Solution or true solution as well, right? So if someone asks you, give any example of solid solution, what example you're going to give? ऐसा substance, ऐसा mixture which is completely solid. So this is talking about a mixture like solid in solid. What is a meaning of solid in solid, बच्चा लोग? Solid in solid. You take a solid, you mix it with a solid. So जिसको लेते हो that is solute, which is in less amount. In solid, जिसमें डाला तुमने, that is acting as a medium so that you can mix this substance into this substance. So that is solvent. Solute which is in less amount, solvent which is in more amount. Solvent helps, provides a medium so that your solute can dissolve into it. Means your solute and solvent together mix and give you a solution, gives you a mixture. ठीक है? ये साथ में इसको बोलोगे solution. Now they are asking example for the same. You can give a very good example, that is alloys. है ना, alloy की बात करूँ, that too solid in solid. I can take some example like brass and bronze. है ना, brass का example ले लेते हैं. brass क्या है? brass is an alloy of copper. Means copper is in very much high amount, and I put some amount of zinc into it, approximately 30%. Less amount solute, more amount solvent. So I tell you brass, that is an alloy of copper, mixing it with the zinc, both of the substance solute and solvent is solid, so it is like solid in solid type of mixture, solid in solid type of solution. Yeah, funda is clear, easy only, right? So it's not like we are doing one question. Ma'am is helping you out with all the theories and how to, make a better understanding about this chapter by explaining each and every part. Yes, bacha log, very good. This is also clear. Let's move ahead with one more question, and the question is saying, list the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. 2 marks का है. Whenever you get any question for 2 marks, write at least 2 differences and give the third one as the example of the both. Right? So as I already told you what is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, your name is already giving you answer what exactly are these terms. Okay, let's just understand that. So if I talk about homo, I told you same phase, means your mixtures is completely mixed with each other. You will get same composition throughout the mixture. You're not able to differentiate between your solute and solvent. Same. Now it's like, ma'am, any example? You can take salt in water, sugar in water, right? They are going to completely mix with each other and you are not able to differentiate between the two. So much well they are going to mix. Now if you think, ma'am, can we pass through it filter paper? They can differentiate. No, not at all. If you, again, the next difference, if I pass it through filter paper, my solute and solvents are not going to differentiate, not going to filter out, not going to separate. Yes, but on the other hand, if I talk about heterogeneous mixture में होता क्या है? Hetero means different and genus means phase. So heterogeneous mixture means such kind of a mixture in which I can easily see the difference between the solute and solvent. They are going to be present in different phase, which is most of the time visible. Okay? So different phase, if I talk about example, so if I see sand in water or chalk in water, so sand ko I can easily see in water, as well as chalk is also not soluble. I can see that either sand or chalk is going to settle down, ऊपर पानी रहेगा. 2 different phase I can easily see, so they can be filtered out by normal filtration as well, right? Chalk या sand is going to settle down on the filter paper or water is going to come out. जो come out करता है मेरे filter paper से, we call it filtrate. So water is filtrate, coming out filter होके आ रहा है, right? That is filtrate. Okay? So if I talk about one more thing, you know that homogeneous mixture is also known as true solution. But अगर मैं बात करूँ heterogeneous mixture की, so I have 2 name or 2 type of heterogeneous mixture. One is known as colloid and one is known as suspension. Okay, suspension, right? I hope समझ गए हो, थोड़ा हो गया है, ठीक है? So colloid and suspension is basically the true heterogeneous mixture which you can easily see their visible boundary of separation. But if I talk about colloid is like translucent in nature, so it's like not completely transparent, but translucent means थोड़ा धुंधला दिखाई देता है वो mixture, right? And उसके particles को I can't see by naked eyes, I can't see the difference. Okay, but by good microscope I can easily check that more than two type of substance are randomly mixed with each other. Just like if you put your starch in water, if you have seen whenever you put rice in water and you just filter all the rice, whatever the leftover solution is slightly, dhundla, translucent, that is starch in water. That is a colloid. Blood is also a colloidal mixture, है ना, in which your cells are suspended in plasma, that yellowish color का liquid, है ना. So this type of mixture is colloid. Yes, this is also clear. So ma'am already told you so many differences for the same. Yes, clear? Very good bache. So we can move ahead now. We know very well, I have attached the solution also, about homogeneous, heterogeneous and true solution, that is pure substances and impure substances. Let's just know them in more detail. One more question, that is about solution only, true solution. So whenever I'm mixing a solute into a solvent, I can mix it into different concentration, right? Just like for simple sake, I can take 1 glass of water and I can take 1 spoon also. I can put 1 spoon of salt. I can put 2 spoons of salt. That's it. They're going to mix. But in every different case, we are going to get different kind of concentration, because that is totally dependent upon amount of solute you are going to add. Okay, kitna solute dala in a fixed solvent so that you will get a solution throughout solution, that is nothing but your concentration. How much amount of solute you put to make a solution, okay, uska concentration we can easily measure by this formula. तो चलो देखते हैं, let's read out the question also. Question is saying a solution contain 40 gram of common salt, ठीक है, that is your NaCl, in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. So what is the meaning of this mass by mass percentage? I hope you already understood. You can also solve out with me as well and can tell your answer in the chat box. Mass ऊपर रखना है और mass ही नीचे रखना है. That means I told you whatever amount of solute you are going to take to make a solution, that you need to write in percentage, 100 की term में. तो यहाँ रखेंगे amount of solute, mass का मतलब ग्राम में, that must be in gram. Then amount of what? Amount of solution. Amount of solution into 100. And you're going to get your answer very easily. So amount of solute is how much? 40 gram amount of solution. Don't write 320, that is your water. Solution is solute plus solvent, that is 40 plus 320, that is 360 into 100. And just quickly tell me what you're going to get. 4 gaya 10 pe, 9 pe. Now you can't solve. 100 by 9, 1 and 1, right? So your percentage, that is mass by mass percentage, that is going to come out, that is 11.11%. Now you know कि जितना amount डालोगे in different concentration, you can get the different type of solution. अगर salt में या normal चीनी समझते हैं, sugar, if I put 1 spoon of sugar in 1 glass, second glass में 2 spoon of sugar, and if you taste it one by one, second वाला ज़्यादा मीठा लगेगा, because more amount of solute is there, more concentrated solution this is going to become. Yes, clear? Very good. So this is also fine. We can move ahead with one more question. And what exactly is the question? Let's read it out. To make a saturated solution, first of all, what is saturated solution, bacha log? Saturation. So it's like in your class, if you continuously read for 2 hours, continuously study for 2 hours, you will be like, our mind is super saturated now. Same with the solution, मतलब जितनी जगह थी दिमाग में सब full हो गई. तो अगर मैं solution की बात करूँ, if I need to make a solution, I'll take a solvent. Solvent में there is some space in which your solute is going to go and make a solution, right? So if I'm putting solute one by one and it is already going to take out whole of the vacant space in solvent, there will be one time you're not going to add, you can't add more solute into it because all of the space in the solvent is occupied. So such kind of a solvent in which you can't put more solute at that temperature, that is its saturated solution. Why I mentioned at that temperature? Because temperature plays a very much role. Again, if I start putting so much salt, one time salt is not dissolving, but if I heat the same mixture, salt start dissolving again. So by increasing and decreasing the temperature, your solubility of that solute into that solvent can change. This is solubility, which is related to saturated and unsaturated solution. Saturated, in which you can't put more solute, it is already enough soluble into it, and then unsaturated, that is not reached to its saturation point, there is some vacant space, you can add some more. Okay, then there is one more term, that is super saturated, means saturated tha pehle se hi, I wanted to add more and more. Room temperature pe ya that temperature pe you can't do it. If you heat it, by increasing the temperature, you can put some more salt, you can put some more solute. Such solution is known as super saturated. Saturated से भी super, right? This is clear. तो वो बोल रहा है that to make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature. So concentration पूछ रहा है, they are not asking about solubility. Solubility पूछता तो I told you कितना amount of solute is going to dissolve in that solvent which has some vacant space into it. So amount of solute divided by amount of solvent is telling you your solubility, and for the sake of convenience we measure all the time for 100 gram of solvent. तो उसके लिए formula बन जाएगा amount of solute, amount of solvent into 100. Please pay attention. This 100 in the formula of solubility does not come for percentage. Percentage we always calculate for concentration. This 100 because we all the time solve the equation for 100 gram solvent. So it's like this. Suppose x मान लेते हैं, x ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट में डिजॉल्व होता है 5 ग्राम सल्यूट. ठीक है, सो वी ऑलवेज हैव टू गो फॉर 100 ग्राम. 100 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट में डिजॉल्व होगा 5 अपॉन x इंटू 100. सो 5 क्या था? सल्यूट, राइट? amount of solute. X क्या था? amount of solvent into 100. 100 क्यों आया? Because I need to solve for 100 gram. Okay, that's why this concept came. I hope this is super clear that in solubility this 100 is not for percentage. Okay, concentration में definitely for percentage. तो concentration क्या होता है? amount of solute. Concentration is amount of solute, which is 36 gram, amount of solution, that is 100 gram water and 36 gram salt, will make a solution to give you 136 gram of solution into 100. When you are going to solve it, you are going to get your percentage. I'll be waiting for your response that what exactly the concentration we are going to get at that particular temperature, that is 293 Kelvin, that is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay बच्चा लोग, so I'll be waiting for your response in the comment box. क्या होगा answer? Okay, I hope these two funda is also super duper clear for all of you. Yes, very nice. Let's move ahead. Okay, next question is identify the dispersed phase and dispersion medium in the following colloids. Colloid बहुत सारे type के होते हैं. Again, a type of heterogeneous mixture which looks like homogeneous, which we can see by microscope but not by naked eyes. They're different type of particles. So in case of fog and cheese, so बच्चा dispersed phase is nothing but a name of solute only. कौन सा phase है? That is solute. And dispersing medium, dispersing medium means I told you all the time, medium which is helping to dissolve the solute. So ये है solvent. Okay, so disperse phase solute, dispersion medium is solvent. So if I talk about fog which we witness in the winters, तो fog क्या है? We have atmosphere. Atmosphere में there are water present into it. So that means water some amount. Fog किस में present है? Atmosphere air में. तो air क्या है? Gas. So what I will say, solute होगा liquid. A part में liquid, that is water. Solvent होगा gas, that is your air, है ना? Water present, condensed water that is present in the air, right? Very nice. Yeah, let's talk about your cheese. If I talk about cheese which we eat in our day-to-day life, तो cheese की बात करें, cheese किस में present होता है? थोड़ा सा amount of liquid which is your fat in किसमें? सॉलिड में. ओके, सो सॉलिड दो टाइप के फैट्स होते हैं, लिक्विड वाले फैट एंड सॉलिड फैट. सो सॉलिड फैट हम सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. याद करो, जैसे पनीर बनाते हैं घर में, सारा सॉलिड फैट निकाला और उसमें थोड़ा सा होता है लिक्विड, दैट इज योर वाटर, है ना? तो इस तरीके से अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं, व्हाट आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, दैट इज लिक्विड इन सॉलिड. Liquid in solid. So your cheese is liquid in solid. बहुत कम amount of liquid ताकि वो soft रहे. In solid fat. Okay, very much clear. So ये भी बात समझ आ गई बहुत अच्छे से. So we can move to next question, which is this. अच्छा, very good question. Let's see. Identify the solution among the following mixture. So बच्चा लोग, what is solution? We know that homogeneous mixture, same phase throughout. So if I talk about soil, soil is not at all homogeneous, right? Soil can have different type of soil. Apart from that, some grass particle, insect particle, some biodegradable waste. So that's not homogeneous. If I talk about seawater, definitely salt which is mixed in water definitely will give you homogeneous mixture. Air की बात करें, अच्छा, that's a very good question. So they should write, because आज के टाइम में our air is so much polluted, so much smoke particles, dust particle, so that's not at all homogeneous. So it's like, ma'am, ये तो थोड़ा contradictory है. Air means you can say pure air, तो pure air is always homogeneous as mixture. अगर बात करें दिल्ली की air, so definitely polluted, that means heterogeneous mixture. ओके, एयर मीन सभी के लिए समझ लेते हैं कि ऑब्वियसली कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट है थोड़ा, दे हैव टू मेंशन दैट. यस, कोल की बात करें, कोल इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर, नॉट अ सोल्यूशन. That has some nitrogen, sulfur and carbon, which is not giving it a very good type of homogeneous, because particle size also matter, that is less than 1 nanometer. And if I see it by even a good microscope, उसमें बहुत सारे particles होते हैं, क्योंकि coal is not a one type. पीट, लिग्नाइट, बिटुमिनस. सो पीट, लिग्नाइट में तो बहुत सारा बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट भी होता है, वेरी सॉफ्ट इन नेचर. सो आई कांट से पर्टिकुलरली कि वो होमोजीनियस है, वो सोल्यूशन है. सोडा वाटर, डेफिनेटली यू ऑल नो दैट योर सोडा वाटर इज नथिंग बट योर कार्बोनेटेड ड्रिंक, fizzy drink in which CO2 gas is mixed in your water. So definitely that is homogeneous. So, and कौन सा वाला homogeneous? Gas, CO2 in that sweetened water, मीठा वाला water, they mixed it. So gas in water, CO2 in water, right? So that is also homogeneous mixture. Yes बच्चे लोग, I hope there is no confusion. कुछ question contradictory होते हैं, but I try my best to give a better understanding about the same. Yes? Okay, very good question. So let's talk about this question right now, which is saying classify each of the following as a homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture, and we have some example as well. So one question ma'am is doing and one you all have to do apart from that, as I told you, as a homework question. This is saying you need to identify among the following. Let's see कि कौन सा क्या है homogeneous and heterogeneous, same phase or different phase. So if I talk about soda water, this is done already, that soda water is a homogeneous mixture, CO2 and water. वुड की बात करें, वुड इज नॉट एट ऑल होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर, कोलॉइड है, अगर मैं उसको देखूंगी देर आर सम एयर गैप्स इनटू इट एज वेल, ओके, सो दैट्स नॉट एट ऑल, सेल्यूलोज से बना है, तो प्रॉपर होमोजीनियस नहीं कह सकती मैं उसको, कोलॉइड वाला हेट्रोजीनियस की कैटेगरी में आएगा. एयर, अगेन एयर इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी, इफ प्योर एयर होमोजीनियस, polluted air heterogeneous. या सॉइल की बात करें, अगेन हेट्रोजीनियस, वी हैव सीन दैट इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. अच्छा, विनेगर क्या है? विनेगर वी ऑल सी दैट इन आर डे टू डे लाइफ. सबको नूडल्स, चाउमीन बहुत पसंद होती है, दे पुट विनेगर इन टू इट, राइट, थोड़ा सावरनेस, थोड़ा खट्टा बनाने के लिए उसको. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दिस? दैट इज एसिटिक एसिड, एन ऑर्गेनिक एसिड विच वी टेक 5 to 8 ml and we put it into a water, and when I mix it I'm not able to differentiate कि water है acetic acid है. That's why by mistake one day that bottle is there in my Masi's place, I thought it's water and I drank it. So yes, that is actually a homogeneous mixture, we could not differentiate. So yes, homogeneous mixture. Same as filtered tea. फिल्टर्ड टी क्या है? फिल्टर्ड टी, यू नो दैट चाय को मैंने फिल्टर कर लिया, द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज हैविंग वाटर एंड एज वेल एज योर टेनिन्स विच इज देयर इन द टी, कंप्लीटली गोइंग टू मिक्स आउट, सो दैट्स ऑल्सो होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर, करेक्ट. तो ये भी क्या है? होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर, होमो एम. ओके, सो दिस इज दिस. आई होप all of the part is super duper clear to all of you. But how would I know about the same? That you're listening and you're following to ma'am, because ma'am really need your response. So कैसे पता चलेगा? Whosoever is watching, I'll see कितने लोगों ने देखा and कितने लोगों ने आंसर किया. Okay, I don't need a very big explanation. So it's like difference between your solution and suspension. Suspension I already told you, heterogeneous mixture का ही type है, which is like extreme one, in which two substances not going to mix at all, and you can easily see. So you need to tell me what one difference between your homogeneous mixture and suspension, solution and suspension, and two example. That's it. One basic difference and two example of the both, then this is going to be a super duper funda clear wala job. Yes, so please let me know in the chat box. Such an amazing session we had, so many concepts we have covered. Next part we'll come back again. तो उससे पहले just a reminder, you can enroll for micro course with this code AGMIC, and if you want to be a part of crash course as well, so the code is AGCC. Okay, and super lightning deal to revise all the 9th class. Yes बच्चा लोग, so मज़ा आया, hopefully समझ भी आया होगा. अब मैम गायब नहीं होने वाली है, so stay tuned at Vedantu and keep following us, and please do like, share and subscribe to us. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. We'll meet again. Till that, bye bye. Take care.